Hello, today I'm going to make a heavy iron burn. First I'm going to find a shape which is going to be covered with burn. Then I'm sponging over this area with yellow, red and brown colors, so it is looking very messy. I'm concentrating on the sides of the iron, so the shape is clearly visible. After finishing with a regular sponge, I'm going over with a stippling sponge and adding more dark areas. Then it's time for latex. I start from sides first, concentrating on very clear lines, and then I'm filling in all the rest, but I need to be really careful with my eyebrows because it's really difficult to pull off the latex later on from eyebrows, so I'm avoiding this area. I could actually block this area with wax, so I won't be thinking of that, but for this look I didn't have to have it specifically covered, so I just left it out. Latex dry very fast, so as long as it dried a little bit, I'm starting making a pattern of my iron, and I'm using light color very similar to my skin, so it will be the area which wasn't burnt by the iron, so it's something like it's going to be sticking out and the rest is burnt and damaged. While painting this pattern, the rest of the latex has dried and I'm starting to make holes. Really be careful with these holes. I'm using a blunt tool just to tear off the skin, the second skin which I created, and pulling this a little bit off. I have quite a few holes done. I'm starting painting inside of the latex, inside of these holes. So start with a lighter colors, probably red, and then go inside, like underneath the skin, the stirred skin, with black or dark brown color, and I'm covering all of the holes that I have painted, and then switching back to my pattern of the iron. Since this is the part which is supposed to be sticking out, I'm painting around of it to create an effect of shadow. For outlines, I'm mostly using dark red and brown color. So after outlining this pattern, I'm also going to outline around the whole design, the whole iron shape. I'm also doing these lines quite irregular, so it does look like a skin where it's damaged. It's kind of cheating off, it's not very straight, but still keeps to the shape. At the end, I'm adding more red color, like very, very bright red, and then I'm adding the blood. Because I added these brown colors underneath, the blood looks like it's been more natural. Next stage is to make skin around the whole shape more irritated. So I'm first going around with a pinky color and a little bit smudging it out. It's not going to go straight next to the line, it's going to be like half a centimeter away, and then I'm going at the edge, I'm going with a lighter color, a bit lighter than my own skin, so it looks like it's sticking out a little bit. Now it looks gory enough, but if you would like to add even more to that and have the blood dripping, you can just hold a little bit of blood in your mouth and then spit it out when you need it. If you have a sweet tooth, you might even like this blood, but it's very, very sweet. Just make sure that you hold something underneath so it wouldn't go on your floor. Here I'm just going crazy and smudging all this blood all around my face. Well, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Please do subscribe to Halloween makeup channel because there are going to be much more videos from me and other amazing artists.